Hey guys, welcome back to the Jordin tutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you my pink fidgets, so let's get started. So first, we're going to do poppets. So first I got this poppet ball. The most I can ever do is, well, let's see. The most I can ever do is I don't know, but yeah, that's my first one. Next is this unicorn poppet. Next is this backpack. Next is this horse. And make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And then I got this cloud, or I don't even know. I got it from my aunt. I don't know if it's cloud or, yeah, comment. Actually, I don't know. I'll turn the comments on when we get 20 subscribers. So subscribe, and you can comment what this is. Alright, next is stress balls. First, I got this bunny, squishy, because there's a bunny face. Next is this pineapple. Next is this gummy bear. Next is this bubble needle. Carrie has the other one. Next is this mesh ball I got for Christmas. Next is this unicorn I got from Kirkwood Dollar in the mall. Next is this Neato. If I sound mad, I'm not, so yeah. And next is this crystal Neato. Next is this strawberry Neato. Next is this poppet ball Neato. Next is this shaggy Neato. And last is this mesh ball that's pink. Alright, next is normal fidgets. So first, I got this marble mesh, and I got this tangle. And that's it. And I got this from Buggies and Blues. And I don't know where I got this, so yeah. Next, we'll do foam squishies. So I got this. And this. And that's it. And next is this slime. Next is this other slime, and this slime is in a bag because it's sticky and it's crunchy. It doesn't mean anything, it's just satisfying. And then this slime, I'll tell you why in a second, but I got this slime from my cousin because I had a blue, I had a blue one of these, but yeah, I had a blue one of those, and she wanted it, so I traded her the blue one of these for this. And now I got another one, and it's a pink kind, and I've never opened it. And next is this Centos dough, and it smells like Mary Berry, which is so good. So that's my mini kind of it. And then I have a massive kind that I've never touched. See, I've never touched it. There's no fingerprints. But on the other hand, I've touched this one. And next we're gonna do one more thing. Oh, and I forgot to show you this. It's just Play-Doh, off-brand kind. And then I have this Neato. Yeah, it's not a Neato, but I got it from GameStop. It's a big squishy sphere, and you could smush it. It says on the box what you can do with it. You could toss it. You could squeeze it. You could poke it. And you could knead it. So that's that. And then we got it. Oh my gosh. The box is sharp. And then we gotta do mochis and my fidgets that I only have one of. So we'll do my fidgets that I only have one of right now. And then we'll do mochis. Yeah, and I'm wearing my pajama pants, but I changed into a shirt because I didn't want my pajama shirt on anymore. Alright, yeah, like this. Pink and blue. So a water timer, like I said. And then I got this pink ramen noodles. Don't worry, I have the rest of the collection, like I said, in the blue one. And I got this humongous wacky track. Or, I guess, snake. Let me put it straight. It's hard to do this when... Yeah, it's a big wacky... Oh my gosh. It's a big snake. And then this. Likes the pink and blue. And then my magnetic rings. And then, oh, and I forgot to show this in the blue video. It's a blue bike chain. And then that's all my pink fidgets for in here. Unless there's some hiding under the noodles. But nope. Oh, and one more thing. This, I made it. It's, wait, I didn't say I made it. It was a bracelet, but I just broke it. Now you can do that with it. And next is mochis. I didn't show mochis in the blue one, so we're going to show blue and pink. So first is this. I don't know what it is, but yeah. I seriously don't know what it is. And then we got this blue one. And that's all that's in this one case I have. And then we'll move on to the actual box I have of them. Oh my gosh. What's happening? They're all losing. They're all falling out. Oh my god. Sorry, I'm weird. I know I am. Alright, case is shut. Now we're doing the actual bin. And probably Jordin. It's in our wall box, but I store my mochis in here. So first, yeah, we'll do blue first. And first, I got this humongous unicorn and a tiny one. And then I got a star. And that's all the blue ones. Now let's move on to the pink ones, which I have a lot more of. I have a song stuck in my head. I forgot what it was called, but yeah. I can't stop singing in my head. Alright, so first we got this humongous bunny. Then we got 2 pigs. Come on, piggy, piggy. Piggy, piggy. I swear to God. Yeah. See? 2 piggies. And then I got a squirrel. This hedgehog. This bunny. A unicorn. Another bunny. And an elephant. And then I'll show you the size difference. Bunnies. Cats. Yeah. Cats. Whoop, upside down. Cats. And then last but not least, unicorns. So that's that. And that's, I think, it. So, bye, Jordin tutorials.